with all the state of emergency and SOE and all these things, it's not a police problem. I told the government this long ago. It's a social dysfunctional problem.
It never easy, believe me, but success will do so sweet if it easy. Never. And if you free me, no need it, cause success will do so sweet if it easy.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan, I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. So for the first time you check out the Chaddy More TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime we upload videos like these, you definitely are gonna be the first to know.
Life is a sacrifice.
In this video, we have the Ground Godzilla, Bounty Killer himself, it out upon the politician them. Primarily, Andrew HOLNESS. Even though I never call Andrew HOLNESS name, but since Andrew HOLNESS made that speech in a parliament, where he contributed the high crime rate we're going in Jamaica right now to dancehall music, a lot of people are speak out. And we see Bounty Killer once again, burn the system and burn the government. People, we are going to talk about that. We are going to talk about DHQ Nikki, new body. Oh, them are going like say them want Badmind yourself for the new body. Anyway, we are going to talk about all of those topics and more. But first, we want to talk about this song where you hear a play in the foreground. You just hear one artist that says sacrifice. Life is a sacrifice. Well, this artist don't new to the Chaddy More TV. Because guess what? Portland in forward. And this artist don't new to dancehall neither, because the artist is a giant in the business. We are talking about VERSI, the road carver, and a new song entitled Sacrifice. We are going to take a look at that song before we go in on the other topics them. Because me are telling the people, we need to highlight more good music. We need to shed more light on the positive music them. And you know, say Chaddy More TV is all about positivity. Even though more time we mix it up in the mix up. Anyway, VERSI, the road carver, Sacrifice.
Man have a lot of ambition, plus me heart clean and me have a vision. Happy life for the mission. One heap of sacrifice, man I give thanks.
Yeah, Chaddy More, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! Chaddy More TV.
For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy More. Bototom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
This is one of the main things I like about humans. They will bad mind you for your things. You see me? Some people see the glory and not say when you work hard I try to get there. Them no know say sometimes you have to go to your bed 5 o'clock. Not 5 p.m. you know, 5 a.m. And then wake up back 8 o'clock for go up on the next shift. Them don't see them things there. But when you go so booms and you wear a nice clothes, you put on a nice perfume. For the ladies them, when you put on a nice like a Brazilian hair and them thing there. People are say, watch her. Or she going so hype. You have an next set where you say, watch him. Watch him in a little old markets. When a Badmind, she Badmind the man for the markets and I know how hard the man work for the markets, you know. John was star. We are talking about sacrifice.
A some rough life we live on. Now a straight champagne man a sip on. Go for the brother we go hard for the ship on. One with dead but a life man a grip on, yeah.
VERSI, me no know a way you go to find a song, yeah? But you find it. You search for it and you find it. And not only the song is bad, you know, because as I tell it in the song, I talk about sacrifice. I talk about what you have to do to reach where him there. But you see the storytelling in the actual music video, people is touching. So you have this hombre, he work, look like a restaurant or a cook shop, but a foreign him there. You see me? And remember, you know, people always attribute foreign say rich. Once a year about foreign rich, money up there pick up off a ground. No, my friend, not no go so lie them a tell here, lie them a tell. So the brother have a baby on the way. The woman are going to labor and be things. Meanwhile, the woman are going to labor, him no know yet, you know. Him a think and I say, yo, Jano, him have a next youth at the house. Him not have $1 for carry on for that youth and or nothing like that. You see me? And him work at the cook shop. So him go so booms now and I take out the food. But I don't know how this one still in a VERSI. How come the food and the register at the same place? But that different. We are talk about that next time. Him had put little food in him bag, but as I said, the food and the register at the same place. So the boss boy forward you know and swear say the brother I take money out of the register when I just food. The brother look for carry him go give him youth. John was star. And them things are real in a life, you know. VERSI, you find it with a song, yeah. Video on point. Everything on point. Oh, in the end, the brother did reach where he want to reach, you see me? But you know, if you go watch that video there, for really know what go on. We not explain it no more. Come on, run go over VERSI official Vivo page and watch the video. Alright? If you are watching on Instagram, me I go left him at in the description or in the comment section. You just click it and go over him page. If you are watching on Facebook, me I go put the link in the description or comment section. People, more on run go over there. Go support good music. A Portland youth. And you know say me represent Portland all day every day. So just do that something then, man.
It never easy, believe me. But success will do so sweet if it easy. Never. And if you free me, no need it. Cause success will do so sweet if it easy.
With all the state of emergency and SOE and all these things, it's not a police problem. I told the government this long ago. It's a social dysfunctional problem.
The Ground Godzilla, Bounty Killa himself, post that video to his Instagram page with the caption, "Government and society go deal with the problems uno sis." Cha. Yo, Bounty Killa na easy, you know. Government and society go deal with the problem uno shit system created. I'm done talking about Jamaica's plights and issues after 3 decades. After all, I'm an entertainer, not an educator. I choose to teach people. I could say whatever the F I wish to say. If corrupted politicians, police, soldiers, pastors, lawyer, poor parenting, unemployment, poor educational system, Rambo, Scarface, Terminator, and social media that promotes the most negative pornography and violence not facing no backlash. Why should I, our fellow entertainers? I don't give a... Me not have to tell you when not give already. So people, let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. And the video before that I did, dancehall artist Baby Sham forward and it out pan it. You can go check out that one as well. So people, we can see the artists them really feel aware. That's every single time when there's a rising in violence in Jamaica, them turn to the entertainer them. Turn to dancehall. I use dancehall as a scapegoat or a weak fence. Cha. Anyway, make we move on. Make we talk about DHQ Nikki new body. Sorry people, but Nikki are going too bad. Nikki are going too crazy. Nikki post that photograph full naked. People, when I say full naked, I mean full naked. And you know say YouTube no do that something there. YouTube don't like to see naked girls. So we have to put on some clothes on DHQ Nikki. But me not tell a lie. Nikki body look good. And people, when me say Nikki get a brand new body, me mean she got a brand new one. Just like how you da walk in at the parking lot and pick out a brand new car, DHQ Nikki went to design a body and got a brand new body. And for those who still don't understand what I mean, she did surgery on her body. You know, make the hips them more wider, make the body more fatter, make the belly more flatter. So I would suggest that's why she took it to Instagram, but naked, for make everybody see her brand new body. And Nikki, you look good. Not saying she never looked good before, no. I want to understand that. But the surgery was a successful one. Now Shana Chin took it to her Instagram. A Jano star. After DHQ shared this photograph, you know, and everybody talk about DHQ Nikki, Shana Chin took it to Instagram. And you know what? We not say what she say, no. We just have to play what she say.
One time, there was 1 and 2 somebody have one little go fix up one belly or one breast or something. After me go, dancer get design out.
Hello, Badmind. Good morning. Badmind get the best of them. Badmind get the best of them.
People, I don't want to think me I say Shana chin or Shana control a bad mind. You know. I am not saying that. But just take a look in the comment section and you will see that a lot of people think that Shana chin bad mind Nickesha for your new brand body. Anyway, still, make we move on. We are going to look at one more topic, and this topic is serious. And it is in relation with the whole body do-over argument. So, dancehall artist Dovey Magnum, female dancehall artist Dovey Magnum, did a show over the weekend. Now, Dovey Magnum uploaded snippets of that stage show to her Instagram profile. Now, people are come message Dovey Magnum and say she dey a foreign if she can't do her body. I know stars. We lost as a society, you know. Anyway, I go play that clip and then me talk.
So people big up on themselves, yeah. When I come to address something, I say this, who need to hear this? Listen to me. When you can't program me or tell me what to do or whatever the case is. If me want to do back over something on my body or do my body right now or my eyelash or my nose hole or my throat hole, me can do that on my timing if you understand me. So I post a performance and when me there I perform all of that. I see many comments all in my DM, oh you need for your body, you need for this, oh you some of the money you have up a foreign, oh rare, you're foreign artist and you look good. Why me not look good to you? Because you're used to a certain look. You're used to the girl who look like wisdom teeth and the one who look like bug and bird on stage. So when I feel away one time when I see me now, well look natural, I do my thing. Remember telling you something? Me not please society and people not please people. Me I live for me and me I live for. You understand? So when time I see me past stage, if you don't like how I look, shut in the eye and listen to the music, see him go that way. But for right now, me I go and sit down.
People, she have a lot to say. Jano star, Jano. Me not even think me have a comment on this. Me not a comment. I want you to tell me in the comment section what you think. You see me? And let me just say this. You see that body doing something there? You don't know what I do. I know for everybody. You see me? If you can't afford it, don't break the bank. Don't take out no loan for go do body and all them things there. Don't make society trick you know. Get caught up in a society and them things there. You see me? It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section. And let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And guess what? A one way and any other way are the wrong way. I'm gone.